Welcome back to the Witsy channel. Today we are at one of Canada's most iconic destinations, Niagara Falls. Every year, millions of visitors come here to experience its breathtaking beauty. There are many ways to explore the falls, from scenic viewpoints and boat cruises to helicopter rides. But today, we are choosing something different and a lot more exciting. We are about to jump on thrilling jet boat tour through the Niagara River. It's fast, it's wild, and yes, we are definitely going to get soaked. Let's go. From the Table Rock Welcome Center in Niagara, it's about a 20-minute drive along the Niagara River to Whirlpool Jet Boat Tours. You can book your ride in advance through their website. I'll leave the link in my description box. Just choose your date and time, and the ticket starts at around $80 per person. Before you head out, the staff will go over all the safety instructions. They also provide lockers for your belongings, changing rooms, raincoats, and life jackets, so everything you need is taken care of. Once you're geared up, it's time for the adventure. For today's adventure, our captain is Jason and our trip leader is Winnie.